So here's my collection, muscle bike collection. Of course, some repro stuff, but some kind of cool ones that I like. Check it out. Sears Screamer, Schwinn Cotton Picker, all original. Raleigh Chopper, obviously the wrong seat on it. Little bend in the crossbar, but these are all barn finds. So all three of these were barn finds. So one day they'll get restored, but right now I don't care. I got them. So Screamer, Schwinn Cotton Picker, and Raleigh Chopper. Now we'll move on to the not barn, well, somewhat barn find. My Appollo, Ross Appollo 5-speed in yellow, all original. Then we have my Sears repos or repops, whatever you want to call it, in black. The Schwinn in green, and then the Schwinn Stingray in blue or blueberry. And then I got one oddball here. It's a Columbia coaster bike, all original pretty much. Again, haven't had time to do any restoration on any of these. These are as I've found them or as I bought them, and they'll eventually get their share at restoration. So there it is. I'll go down one more time. And there you have it.